Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is having a wonderful day, and today in the kitchen I will be sharing a recipe for candied yams. Let's start by melting some butter. Once that butter melts, we'll go in with some brown and white granulated sugar. We will follow up with some spices, cinnamon, nutmeg, and clove. We will also add some lemon juice, a pinch of salt, and we will mix the combine. Once it's fully combined, we will go in with our yams. Mix that in. Once the yams are well coated, we will cover and allow that to simmer on low heat. After about 10 minutes, you want to go in and give them a little flip. You want to flip the ones at the bottom to the top and let the ones at the top go down to the bottom so that they can cook evenly. Then we'll cover and allow it to cook for an additional 15 to 20 minutes. Once they are done, nice and tender, you want to go in with some vanilla extract. You always want to add your vanilla at the end and not at the beginning, as you know, the flavor will just disappear and that's not what we want. So you want to add it in now. Then we'll add some extra butter, cover this, and just turn the heat off, and that's it. It's all done. Absolutely delicious, and it's so easy and simple to make. So I did plate this up with some collard greens, mac and cheese, and beef short ribs, and it was absolutely amazing. My entire family enjoyed it. I really do hope you guys give the recipe a try, and if you enjoy my video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for me. I will be leaving all my ingredients and measurements down in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a good day and enjoy!